When patients receive their spine MRI report, the first instinct is often to Google every word. But terms like disc bulge, nerve root compression, degeneration can sound far more alarming than they truly are. Here's what you should know. A disc bulge doesn't always mean a slipped disc. Nerve compression doesn't always mean surgery. And many so-called abnormal findings are simply age-related changes like grey hair on the inside. In fact, studies have shown that people with no back pain at all often have disc bulges or degeneration on MRI. This mismatch between imaging and symptoms is why we say treat the patient, not the MRI. You have seen it both ways, a scan that looks bad but the patient is pain-free, and a scan that looks normal but the patient has real disabling symptoms. Now here's where it gets serious. There's a growing trend we call MRI psychosis, where the patients misinterpret the language in reports and spiral into anxiety. It is documented in medical literature. People may develop fear, catastrophizing, or even unnecessary surgical anxiety just from reading the report without context. That's why it takes years of clinical training to not only understand an MRI, but also to correlate that with real-world symptoms. After surgery, MRIs may show scar tissue, bone healing, or changes around the implants, most of which are expected. But only a specialist can tell the difference between what's part of healing and what's not, and what is of concern. So if you are holding your MRI report and feeling overwhelmed, take a break. Let a qualified spine surgeon interpret it in the right context. Please share this with someone anxiously reading their MRI, because understanding your scan takes more than a search engine. It takes expertise and penance.